Behind this familiar taste lies one of the most complex food factories on Earth.
Before ingredients are controlled, humans are.
Every movement is logged, every risk minimized. Nutella begins with 6 precisely controlled ingredients.
Nothing moves forward without verification.
Hazelnuts are Nutella's soul. Moisture control prevents mold before it can form. Defective nuts are rejected instantly.
Cocoa travels thousands of kilometers to reach this point. Palm oil defines Nutella's texture.
Every batch must match exact percentages. Roasting is where flavor is born.
Seconds matter at this stage.
Flavor is locked in instantly.
Hazelnuts release their natural oils.
Graininess is engineered out.
Texture is measured in microns.
The human tongue sets the limit.
Acidity disappears. Aroma emerges.
Time completes the transformation.
Oxygen shortens shelf life.
Stability ensures consistency. Packaging begins before filling. Temperature protects texture. The system never sleeps. Simplicity hides complexity. Every jar carries precision. From field to factory.
Scale defines modern food production.
Global demand never stops.
Millions of jars depart daily.
Nutella circles the planet. Nutella is engineering. Millions are made. Each one matters.